Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming essentials. Update your Pixel 6 Pro and ensure your carrier supports eSIM. Once ready, backup contacts and have the QR or activation code handy. This avoids interruptions. Now go to Settings, tap Network and Internet, then SIMs to begin. Tap Add Carrier and choose Add using QR code or carrier option. Move quickly here. The phone will scan and download the eSIM profile. Make sure Wi-Fi is on so the activation completes without using data. Once the eSIM profile downloads, follow the on-screen activation prompts. Sometimes you'll enter a confirmation code from your carrier. After activation, assign a clear label like Primary or Work so you recognize each line. Then set your defaults. Choose which line handles mobile data, which is used for calls and SMS, and whether to allow roaming on each line. Make sure to tap the data preference toggle for the desired line, and verify that voicemail and caller ID settings reflect the correct profile. To finish, run quick tests. Call and text from each SIM and browse with the selected data line to confirm connectivity. You can switch lines instantly from Quick Settings or in Settings Network and Internet if you need temporary data changes. If something goes wrong, like eSIM not activating, restart your phone, update carrier settings, and retry the QR activation. If that fails, contact your carrier for provisioning help. Remember, rebooting and toggling airplane mode often clears leftover registration issues.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.